halor kapatisi TV. Kabul, kamasin kabalas nakarpang kabakhamskem, khamstet, khamklan, batbaduna bam umpnya.
Ka Jingtei ya ka Rain Museum, ha ka Shnong Mawsynram kalayat syakhamat, ha ka ba u kontraktor ula Sdang ya kakam. U MLA ka Mawsynram constituency, ha ka jengkaran bat kilat patai kubor, ha ka arpulai terek urisaw arjar pesan. Ulaong ba kaniga project bala botong ban pendep hapo kat para benai la mang pisa arpesan kelor tingka. Ulaong ba ka Rain Museum kan salong ru ka shlem a Jingtei ya ki nong jho kai partai ki balek yu kejat ha ka Shnong Mawsynram ka baju yo pediang yo uslap ubujur.
The Rain Museum now it is in the offing, and the contractor has already started the works, and I hope by after 1 month from here I can take you to the site where you can show to the people. We can send a message to the state that yes, Rain Museum is coming to be very soon. For Rain Museum, the land is already acquired, and it will be, once the Rain Museum is completed, it will be like an information center for the tourism in Mawsynram constituency. It will be like an information center, but it will be like a brand name for the Mawsynram constituency. So once the Rain Museum is completed, I think it will give a new image to the Meghalaya also, because Mawsynram is the wettest place on earth. So something should be unique infrastructure from the side of the government. So Rain Museum is one of the unique infrastructure that we're getting very soon. The cost of the project is 25 crores plus, and 18 months we are going to see that the works will be completed, and maybe after the 2 years we'll see the new shape of tourism industry in Mawsynram. So with the completion of Rain Museum, with the completion of this new proposed road, I think it can give a new shape to the Mawsynram constituency. We are looking at this angle also, but since the government is taking interest, is interested or taking interest in making the road infrastructure to give a new shape, new face for road infrastructure. So once the road condition is good, and then the tourist development also can take place, because it all depends on the road condition. Because the road condition as it is now is not in bad shape. So even me personally, when I go to my constituency, I find that the road condition was so bad. Sometimes you don't feel comfortable, you don't feel very comfortable even to see or to drive. And we see that with the coming of these new schemes, with the new allotment that sanction that we are getting, and the road condition will be in a good shape. So I think the tourist industry also can all along flow in the constituency.
Pen rius pa ya kaktin la jong pen dan kam ya kabakan kiu kaktin khasi kaktin la jong ai kan roi kan pa buon kia kren halor ka environment ka saudong sauput saukun ya ka badai ban penne pensa ya ka jingjangam ha ka kentin khasi niyo ya ka marian na kamarian niyo sa ka meirilung meirisan meirilang meiramo tudayakan mau kendit ho lapen mi da kapati CTV na kabenta ka jingmentoi upat ba